In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using Pinterest and the combination of Google and Digistore 24 to make huge money online, anywhere between $400 and $1,000 a day. This is completely free. You don't need any skills to do this. You don't need any qualifications. All you need is your PC. I do recommend a PC for this, an internet connection, and you can do this anywhere in the world, whether you're in South Africa, India, United States, United Kingdom, you name it. You can sit anywhere in the world, do this and make money online. If you want to see how I make $200,000 per year full-time off of YouTube with a strategy called drop servicing, where I sell really high income skills and services all over the world without actually doing those services and work myself, click on the first link in the description. It will take you to a page like this where you can read through it, understand exactly more about that. Guys, we aren't going to waste any time, but I do want to tell you that if you are serious about making money online, I do seriously suggest that you pay attention to this video. It is honestly a great way to build a massive business over time, and it can become completely passive as well, as Pinterest allows traffic to your Digistore or ClickBank offers all the time from posts and effort that you've put in years ago, and you can still be making money off of that today, years later, without actually working. So the great thing about this, if you want to build a passive stream of income, you need to make sure that you follow each and every step that I'm going to show you. It's quite a bit of a setup. I'm assuming this video will be 10 to 15 minutes long. But just quickly before I get started, I'm just going to ask, please leave a like on this video. It really pumps me up to see you guys motivated and positive and leaving likes on this channel. Also comment down below if there's any question that you have, or if there's a topic idea, or you're welcome to DM me on Instagram in the link in the description. Make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a personal message to your mobile phone and to you every time I upload an epic video just like this one. Without further ado, let's hop into my PC and get straight into this. Just as a thank you to you guys for all the support that you've been giving me, just as a give back to you guys, I'm going to leave 3 links in the description down below to 3 various courses, ranging from a Snapchat course to a Fiverr mastery course, to a Udemy course, all sorts of free courses that I've paid for that I'm now giving to you for free. I'm allowed to do that. I've gotten the right to do so. So you can go and click on the links in the description, get access to those courses. All you need to do is just enter your email and I'll send those courses to your email. Like I said, just appreciate the support of my channel. So thank you very much, and let's continue. Guys, the first step that I'm going to start with is Pinterest right over here. I'm going to get started with what is Pinterest. So Pinterest is basically a platform similar to Instagram where people post different pins and boards of various different content all over the world. So you can see over here they've got, for example, manifestation in the fitness niche, weight loss. This looks like wedding and romance niche, quotes, nails and beauty, funny videos. So here they're posting all sorts of arts, content that people find interesting, and funnily enough, millions of people are viewing these photos every single day. So we can utilize a platform like Pinterest to gain a lot of traffic and sales to a specific affiliate offer. Now, we all know that currently there's a pandemic going around, and most people these days around the world want to learn how to make money online. So this is the niche that we're going to use because I feel like this is the niche we can go most viral and get the most sales. It also pays the most. So I'm going to build this little Pinterest strategy around the make money online niche. The next step is, before we go and create a Pinterest board, we need to go and find a product to create our Pinterest board around. So I'm going to come over to Digistore 24 over here. You're going to come over to the right, click on Marketplace. You can sign up an account on the top right. It's just enter email, password, sign up and verify your email. It's easy as that. There's no sufficient process. It's really easy. And we're going to come over, if you scroll down, to internet marketing and e-business on the more or less in the middle of the digital products category on Digistore 24. Click on that and it'll open up in a new tab. And over here you can see various different make money online courses. And one that I'm specifically looking for is actually a course that I saw on Digistore 24 about trading. This was the course over here, Fox Trader Pro Forex Trading Indicator. So this is a product that costs $87, and you get tons of indicators for Forex and binary trading. So there's a lot of people that are wanting or trying to trade in this world, but they don't know where to start. This is a product that gives you the exact times that you should buy and sell a specific trading pair. So it teaches you how to make profits with trading. Now, a lot of people are familiar with trading. This will just help you get started. So we can go and promote this product as an affiliate. It also doesn't cost an arm and a leg. It's not like a $9.97 course. It only costs $87. You're getting 60% commission and you are getting paid $47.15 every sale that you make. So let's go and open up the sales page of this product just in a new tab so we can go and read about it and build our Pinterest pin around the sales page. So over here you can see is the landing page of the specific product, Forex Trader Pro. So let's go and create our own pin on Pinterest. And the first step you want to do is you want to go and create your own Pinterest profile like I've done over here with my Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel. So over here you can go and post various different pins, your boards. You can see if I click on the drop down over here, you can see all of my pins over here. You want to go and click on plus over here and click on create a new pin, and it will open this pin creator in a tab where we can go and create our Forex trading pin with our title, description, the image, alternative text, and a link to our specific destination, which would be our affiliate link or a bridge landing page. But before we go and create a pin, just quickly click back. You first want to go and create a board. So a board is like a category to categorize your pins. So you can have pins on trading, which could be your trading board. You can have pins on recipes, manifestation. A board is basically a category for your different pins. So we're just going to first go type here, make money online. You want to make sure that you've got keep this board secret checked off, otherwise it won't be visible to the public. And like I said, make sure to keep watching. I'm going to walk you through each and every step to make this so easy for you. Click on create over here and create your new board. Save some pins to your board. You can save some, but we're just going to keep our board blank and start from scratch. So I'm going to click on done, and at the bottom of our board I'm going to click on the plus sign, and I'm going to click on create a new pin for the Make Money Online board. Now the next thing we're going to do is before we create our title, our description, and our destination link, we need to create a pin image. So I'm going to go and create an image for you guys on Canva over here and show you exactly what I did. On Canva, if you search Pinterest pin, you will see tons of different Pinterest pin templates that you can already use. So it's super easy. You don't need to go and create this from scratch. Pinterest already has tons of templates for you. I actually like this one over here already. 5 tips to work from home. So we can go and use something like that. Or even this one over here. You can make money selling digital products. So let's go and choose this one over here. I'm going to click on this one that says make money online selling digital products. And we're going to go and edit that according to our Forex Trader Pro product, which we can go and get all the text that we need and all the images we need off the sales page as a resource, which makes this even easier to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to replace this background image with a trading background image. So let's come over to Google and just search trading wallpaper. Click on enter. Click on images over here, click on tools on the top right, click on usage rights, and click on Creative Commons licenses. So this means these are images we can go and use without any copyright issues. So let's go and use, for example, this one over here looks pretty good. This chart of the different trading charts. So we can go and click on this, open this in a new tab. Let's just click on this image again. Click on free download to download this image from Pixabay completely for free. Like I said, no copyright issues. As you can see, free for commercial use. So you can use this without any copyright or strike issues. Once this is downloaded to your PC, come back to the Canva page where you're editing your Pinterest pin. Delete this background image over here. Click on uploads and upload this new image that you've downloaded from Pixabay. Select this image and drag it onto your board. Just stretch this image out like this, move it towards the center, click on position and move it all the way backwards so you can read the text. And all we want to do is here, we just want to change this text according to the sales page here. So we can go and copy this little subtitle over here, come back to Canva and type this over here. All I did was change this text to "You can make money trading Forex and binary trading signals, a new advanced tool that predicts the market with laser accuracy by providing high quality signals and constant." Over here we're just missing a word. We can put profits in all caps like that. And this website text over here, you just want to change to "click here." You want to have a call to action on your pin so that people can read what they need to do in order to get to the next step in order to make money trading. Once this is complete, click on download on the top right and download this to your PC as a PNG image and click on the big purple orange button and click on the big purple download button and it will download to your PC just like this on the bottom right. Next, you want to come back to your Pinterest pin where we're creating our pin, click on upload and add our new pin that looks like this. And this is what your image looks like so far, and this honestly looks really professional. I'm going to type out the title and the description for you, and once I'm done, I'll meet you back over here so we can discuss exactly what I did and how to get as much as engagement with our viewers as possible on Pinterest. Make money with Forex trading. Click on this pin to get access to a new advanced tool that predicts market with laser accuracy by providing high quality signals and constant profit. The first adaptive trading indicator that works on both Forex and binary options. If you want to start trading without making a loss, click on this tool now. All of this text over here, I got off the sales page over here that I'm just using on my pin. So as you can see, it's already here for you. There's no hard work for you to do. And it's important to have these keywords in your titles and your description. You want to have Forex trading in both your description and title because you need the Pinterest algorithm to understand exactly what your pin is about so it knows which audience to go and promote this pin to. Because obviously Pinterest is not going to go and promote trading content to a teenager classroom that is looking for maths homework or wallpapers for their TikTok or whatever, you name it. Obviously, they want to promote the right content to the right audience to get as much as engagement as possible. The next step is before we go and add our destination link, we're not going to put our direct affiliate link. Sometimes Pinterest does ban affiliate links, so we need to go and create a bridge page. I'm going to go and use a tool called Builderall, which is a $1 landing page builder, an ultimate and unlimited email automation system where we can send out emails to get back old traffic to our offer to make even more sales. So you can click on the second link in the description. It will take you to the checkout on Builderall where you just pay $1 instead of $69 a month. I as an affiliate have a coupon for you guys, so you're welcome to go and click on that down below. Really amazing tool if you want to start affiliate marketing and create funnels and landing pages. I'm going to click on apps over here. We're going to click on the Cheetah website builder at the top of the apps. Click on create a new site. Click from choose professional templates. Type in the search bar opt and click on search. And over here, we're going to use theme 03 reverse opt-in page. Click on select this, click on save. And this tool will automatically build your bridge page and landing page for you. All we need to go and do is replace the text according to our trading offer. Click on edit page over here to open up this page in the live page editor. Over here for the top text, again, we can just go and replace this text with the text on the next landing page through our affiliate link. So all we're going to do is just double click this, paste this over here and just make this a white color. Just select white, centerize it. A new advanced tool, again, as you can see the title over here, all we want to do is actually delete this video option over here. Click on yes, delete. Click on the dropout on the top right, click on add, click on elements, scroll down until you see image, click on image over here, drag the vertical image onto your page, center element, click on edit elements, click on add image over here, click on general settings, click on change image, click on select file and upload this image of this product over here. So all you do is right click, save this image to your PC and re-upload it to your own page. And center element and perfect. This page is complete. The important part is we want to collect our viewers' email address from Pinterest so we can collect them to an email list and re-promote them with email content down the line. For this button over here, just click on the button, click on set link, and this is the button we need to select to our affiliate link. Click on subscribe confirm. It will pop up with a new tab asking for your link. Come back to Digistore 24, copy your affiliate link over here, just right click, copy, come back to your Builderall page builder and paste your affiliate link over here connected to the button and click on select and click on save. This page is then complete and ready to go. So click on save on the top right. It will ask you, do you want to publish this site? Click on that's fine. So this website can then publish live to the internet for everybody to see and go and click on. So let's click on go to website over here and view our page just to proofread. And this is our complete page over here. All we need to do is copy the link to our page, come back to our Pinterest pin over here and paste our destination link to our landing page. And finally, click on save on the top right so our pin can save publicly to our new board with Make Money Online with Trading. And finally, all you want to do is you want to go over to your Make Money Online board. You will see your pin saved over here and it will actually recommend you find some ideas for this board. So what you want to do is you want to go and click on this to find more ideas for your board. You want to go and click on all of these pages over here. For example, Make Money Online, Crypto Buzz News, Dynamic Superpower Trading. Go and open up all of the Pinterest pages in a new tab. And take a look at this, guys. This page over here, Make Money Online Side Income, has over 930 followers. If you go and click on their followers, it will open up their entire list of followers. all you want to go and do is, since these people are already following a Make Money Online page, you want to go and give all of them a follow like this, because they will then get the notification when they see the title of your page, Make Money Online or Forex Trading or Millionaire Mindset. Obviously, they're going to realize that your pin or Pinterest page is about making money online, so they are going to follow you back and have a look at your content. And you want to follow about 50 to 100 people per hour. Again, come over to the second page, this one being Dynamic Superpower Trading System. Click on their followers and open up and follow all of their followers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a playlist over here on how you can grow your social media pages to grow an affiliate business like this, not only with Pinterest, but with TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. This playlist will help you out with social media and growing an audience for that. So make sure to click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.